a smart, scalable machine learning web app for predictive analysis. Okay, so the project is actually a flexible, user-friendly machine learning web application that allows users to train models and generate predictions based on custom tabular data provided in CSV format. With a clean interface and support for multiple algorithms, this tool enables individuals and teams to explore real-world classification problems without writing any code. Whether you are analyzing employee attrition, student performance, for example, pass or fail, customer behavior, for example, purchase or no purchase, or any other binary multi-class classification problems, this app adapts seamlessly to your use case. Okay, before going through this application, I would like to show you the folder structure of this. So in the documents folder contains the document of the project overview and also the complete user guide. Then there are sample which you can play around with. So it has got two folders. One is for to train and the other one to predict. So the train folder contains just one training CSV file, which has an additional attrition column, which is for it's the target basically. So we have got, these are the features. So using these features, there is we have got this training file which says whether there will be an employee attrition or not. And for so we also have to predict, which has got two more files which is similar, but these will not have the attrition column and will have the similar structure or the similar columns as the training file, but without the attrition. So, and using the training file, we are going to predict whether this person is going to be like, there will be attrition or not. So now if you go back to our thing, we can see that there is a run app batch file. This is, you can just run it to open up the web application locally. And but this is only for people who have Python installed in their machine. If you don't have it, then you can go to the distribution file and then run this exe file. So all right. So now I'm just going to show you how to use this tool basically. So first thing that you should actually clear all uploads, although there wasn't anything right now, but still it's a good practice to clear all uploads. Then we can go to the train a new model. So here you can see that we have got 4 models which are available to train with. First is decision tree, then the random forest, logistic regression, and the k nearest neighbor. Only for the decision tree you can see a diagram of the tree as well. So what we have to do is first choose the file from here. So it is under the sample to train, as I've shown you before, and we have to open it and upload the file. So all the columns are getting displayed here, but we have to select the target column. In this case it is attrition, so we'll select attrition, and then we can keep decision tree or we can use any of the other models as I've told before. So we'll see the decision tree first because you can also see the diagram in it. So now we will just train the model. So it will take some time to train it because it's also creating the tree. So you can see now that the model tree has trained successfully and the accuracy is 84.6%. Every model has a different accuracy. So you can also see the decision tree over here, and you can go back to the prediction page either from here or from the top. And what is this? This is the model comparison guide. You can show or hide this one. So this is basically, it is only for this particular example. It's just a sample. So in this case, the decision tree is giving me from 70 to 85% of accuracy. Random forest is giving me from 90 to 100% accuracy. Logistic regression from 50 to 65%, and k nearest neighbors 65 to 75%. But this is only for this particular. You might have a different, totally different values when you are using a different file to train. Now, so one of the files is now trained. Now we go back to the predictions page. And here you can see that the model trained is by decision tree. Training file is this one, attrition. and the visual image is the decision tree over here. So now we can predict with the other file. So we have to now go back to another folder, which is to predict. To predict contains two sample CSV files. One is having 500 rows, another 100, doesn't matter which one you choose. So this file, as you've seen, that does not have any attrition column, and that is what we have to predict. So you just have to select it and do upload and predict, and you will get it immediately. And also says prediction created successfully over here. And so this has now created the prediction, which is the attrition, depending upon the file that we have trained. So you can actually download the predictions, and you can see that the charts and shows you the prediction distribution and also the income distribution in it, and the decision tree, which is just taken from when you are training. Okay, another thing that I would like to show you is the exit application, which I have added currently. So exit application is when you click over here, it's going to remove, actually it's going to clear all the uploads as well, and it will go back to application close successfully, but you have to then close the browser on your own.